We're really excited to meet you and to be able to answer as many questions as we can about heat pumps. This can be a tricky one, I think. How much would it cost for an average house?
I mean, that's extremely hard to answer, isn't it? I mean, every house is different. I think...
Do they make a background noise? How noisy are they?
Yeah, this is a question we get all the time. Honestly, that question is how long's a piece of string? How much gas does a gas boiler use? It entirely depends on.
Thank you very much. Thank you for answering all of those questions. And thank you to everybody for joining this evening.